I was letting my hair air dry and I was about to put some of my favorite hair oil in it. So I'm going to show you how I do it. It's so simple. This stuff is great. This brand actually had sent me this one to test out and I love it. It's like a Korean hair care. It has grapeseed oil, buckthorn in it. It's a heat protectant, and then I love it because it helps with my frizz. My hair, especially when I air dry it, is so frizzy. So it is just in this nice big bottle. It's 3.3 ounces. You only need a teeny tiny bit. You can do it on damp hair or dry hair. I typically, if I'm air drying, I'll do like slightly damp. That's what my hair is right now. But I also will sometimes reapply it in the afternoon when it's like hot and humid, and I'll do it on dry hair. So all you do is there's a little hole here and you just dump it on your palm, and I end up using like 2 of these, 1 for each side of my hair. So I put it on my hand, I rub it together. It smells really good too. It's like not florally scent, but it smells really fresh and clean, I guess. And then I just rub it on the ends of my hair, rub it in. I make sure to stay below my ear, kind of like below my shoulder too. You can even see, like, look at the top is frizzier than the bottom. So I guess I can get it right there too. And then I just reapply it again. Do literally a teeny drop. You can do more if you need to. My hair gets really greasy just as is. However, this oil does not make it super greasy, which I appreciate because I want to be able to tame the frizz in my hair without having to like wash my hair every single night. But that's literally it. And then sometimes what I'll do is go in and blow dry it after, since it does have a heat protectant in it. But I love this stuff. Smells so good. Does wonders for my frizzy hair.